Here's how to download the Bybit app on iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. What you want to do is just open up your iPhone and go to the App Store. Then from within the App Store, click on Search in the bottom right. And then in the search bar, simply type in Bybit. Then click Search. And then if Bybit is available in your country, you can see Bybit right here. Then you can just click install. Now for me it says update since I already have it, so I'll just update it. But once you click install, it's just going to install the Bybit app on your iPhone. So wait for that to finish up and then it will say open. So once it says open, just click on it. And then it will open up the Bybit app and you can go and sign in or create your account. So that's how to download the Bybit app on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.